Your cockatiel isn't being stubborn, they may simply be cautious of something new. As a prey animal, a cockatiel naturally watches unfamiliar changes carefully. A new toy, a new perch, or even a new food bowl can seem unsafe at first. Don't force it. Start by placing the new toy outside the cage where your bird can see it. Once your cockatiel seems relaxed, move it a little closer. Then place it inside the cage, away from their favorite perch or resting spot. Let your bird observe, explore, and decide when to approach. You can also place a favorite treat near the toy to help create a positive association. Some cockatiels accept new things within a day, others may need several days or even a few weeks. That's completely normal. Giving your bird the choice to explore at their own pace helps build confidence and trust. Follow Birds Aviary for more science-based bird care tips.